This is it. You need to come to the Grow Your Wealth event, May 10th, 2025. It's a Saturday and it's an all-day training with yours truly, Noelle Randall. Not only will it be me, I'll have a couple of other people speaking and teaching on how to get business credit, how to get unlimited business funding, and how to create wealth. You literally can grow your wealth using business credit. You can get business credit, you can get business funding, you can use it to buy assets like real estate or buildings or inventory. You do not have to risk your own credit. And in this training, I will teach you how to do that. It is an all-day training. It is very interactive. And the best part about it is you do not have to leave your house. I am going to live stream from this amazing studio. You can see some pictures here. It is going to be live. It's going to be a live stream. You don't have to leave your home. It is not a recording though. It is literally a live stream. Therefore, you can ask me questions. We can go interactive and you literally will leave Saturday with a plan for the rest of 2025. You can make 2025 the best year ever. And all it takes is one day. Yes, one day, Saturday, May 10th, 2025. We start at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 a.m. on the West Coast, and we are here for 6 hours. It is a wonderful day of training that will leave you with the wealth building plan that you deserve. You can become wealthy. You can grow your wealth starting from zero. You can get millions of dollars in business funding using a new business. You do not have to have perfect credit to do this either. You can do all of this and it doesn't take very long. Get your ticket to the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp right now just by going to Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. Get your tickets today. They are so inexpensive and this is a full day of training. Super interactive, not a recording, an actual live stream. I cannot wait to spend an entire day with you teaching you how to really grow your wealth in this economy. I did it. You can do it too. There are millions of dollars out there for you and your business. You just got to know the right places to look and what to say when you get there. And you can use that money to buy assets or even have reserves so that you can quit that job. You do not have to work for other people in order to get wealthy. And at the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp, we will teach you how to do that. It's one full day of learning. There's prizes, there's games, it's interactive. You can ask your questions and you can definitely take yourself to that next level. So get your tickets right now to the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. Use the link on the screen or below right now to get your tickets because we will sold out. And once tickets are gone, they are gone. You need to attend this event. Why? Because I want to make sure that you have all of the knowledge, all of the resources, and all of the tools that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. Can't wait to see you at the Grow Your Wealth Bootcamp. To your success.